Hello guys, welcome back. Going to show you here how you save file in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video. So this is actually how starting about to have something that is really important to deal with, something that should be really about to have a progress that is still to be really satisfied with the thing that it should be really important in doing that well. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to understand how the video work. Is done. So as you can see, you can actually have about here on that file, and then once you do that, you can actually have about to do something that is actually be important with the progress that is still already very important to deal with what we are going to have here in this progress. Start to scroll down here, and then now what you're gonna do is about to start to click here on that export file or export that, and then you can actually start to have several kind of exports, which is VG and GBE, G or PNG, and this is gonna be really helpful about